We are pleased we are able to install President Barbara Wilson on such a key date, the 175th anniversary of the founding of the University of Iowa.
There was some discussion of dancing, but we opted not to.
The people of Iowa are fortunate that Barbara Wilson chose to accept the challenge and the opportunity of leading this university.
Barb Wilson is someone who will advocate for us and help us build a community that connects to Iowa, the world, and I have to add, the galaxy.
The future of the University of Iowa is bright, and my goal is to make sure the future shines as brightly as possible.
This job is hard. Being a leader is hard, but I am so glad you keep showing up with that beloved positive attitude.
We're very fortunate to have her here, and she will lead us well. Give them hell, Barbara.